Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. My name is Mahesh and I'm in front of you to show you how to buy intelligent cryptocurrency course. So there are a lot many scams going across the internet, so I'm really very tired of that. So I'm in front of you and I bought you an easy way how to get intelligent cryptocurrency course. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. So the first step is, there is a link in my description. Go check with that link, which would be directly diverting it to the intelligence cryptocurrency website. Okay, so once you click that link, you get diverted over here, and here once you are on this navigation page, please enter your first name and email address and click on unlock masterclass access. So I'm going to show you what would be the next navigation once you click on that. So after you enter your first name and email address and click on the unlock masterclass, this is the next navigation page what you come across. And what happens here is, so here you won't be finding any checkout or the buy option. So what you need to do is, in your address or address bar or tab, just copy the link what is available there, and so I'm going to paste it over here. You can see here I'm going to paste it, the link. So there would be an option like play masterclass. Okay, so in the place of play masterclass, just type join. Okay, just type join, copy it, and again remove everything in the address bar and paste that what you have edited and click on enter. So one thing I would like to tell you, this is an video by Derek. Okay, he is the owner of this course, and everything is explained in this course. If you are interested, then you can directly watch this video till the end. Okay, in the end he would be explaining you how to buy this product. If not, you have already watched this video, then this is the shortest and easy way to get this course. Okay, and here I'm going to copy this and paste it in the address bar. So once I paste it, let's see where I'm going to get diverted. See, here is the checkout page. So you can see $997 and $1,997 is for lifetime. Okay, this is only for annual subscription. I have taken annual subscription. I'm going to show you how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so if you are interested, then my suggestion is going with $1,997. Okay, why? Because there is everything shared in this course. You can easily gain your amount what you have spent on this course for sure. Okay, and let me show you the dashboard how it looks like once you buy this product and get your credentials. And this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, here you would be getting newsletters, monthly market updates, beginner course, technical analysis course, special reports, crypto tutorials, member forms, and everything. You would be finding everything in this. You would be also getting a chance to speak with other members and also with the owner of this course. Everything would be very clear. So if you are a beginner, then I request you to go with this course, and I'm sure like you would be getting maximum what you have invested back from this cryptocurrency course. So guys, I hope I'm really very clear, and this video would be helpful for you. And if you are really interested to buy this intelligence cryptocurrency course, then I request you to please check the link in the description. Okay, where you directly get landed on intelligence cryptocurrency website, and from there you can easily buy this course and start your journey into cryptocurrency. Have a great day guys, bye bye. And if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you very much.